Now the app is ready to open. Click open. Make sure your hearing devices are on and connected to your iPhone via the previous method shown on the video on how to connect to smart devices. And it says here, welcome to your new ReSound Smart 3D app, an easy way to control your hearing aids. So let's click Get Started at the bottom hand corner here. And you'll have these terms and conditions, which basically the manufacturers of these hearing aids won't let you use unless you agree. So I'm going to skip all this and agree. Feel free to read it yourself when you download. And it says Found Hearing Aids. And it says Restart your hearing aids. So this is something you'll need to do. So I'm going to place the hearing devices back in the charging station. And then I'm going to remove the hearing devices from the charging station once I can see they are starting to charge. Taking them out and laid them next to the smart device I'm using. Now you found the hearing aids, they will connect, and as you can see on the screen it says you're connected. And we're going to press continue. And it says Smart 3D would like to send you notifications. They may include alerts, sounds, and icon badges. These can be configured in settings. So I'm not too interested in receiving those, but if you are, you can click Allow. The hearing aids in this example are set up reasonably simple. At the top, along this top bar where my arrow is moving, you'll have up to 4 programs. In this example, we have one. It's our all-round setting, which is our automatic or normal setting. The hearing aids, when you're using them, you can decide to adjust them to suit yourself and to meet your preferences. So here we have the all-round setting, and we have noise filter or speech clarity. So if you're talking with somebody and you're not hearing the speech clearly enough, you can click speech clarity, and that will make an adjustment in the hearing aids based on your hearing loss prescription that you have saved inside them and help you to hear more with the speech clarity setting icon enabled. So if we want to finish with that, we can click again. If you're in a noisy place and perhaps you need to filter some of that noise out a little more than the hearing aids are doing it on their own, you can give them a bump and click noise filter, and that will enable the noise filter to work a little bit harder. Now you can have other settings more specific to noisy situations, but for this example, this will suffice. Along the bottom here, you can change the overall volume of the hearing aid. So if you pop your finger on the dot, you can go down, and you can even go all the way back up. We're going to go to where we were. You can click here and separate them out, so you can select right or left and move their volume on that particular side if you choose. We're not going to do that. Sound enhancer. Now this is where we can make some more fine-tuning adjustments. If we click that, and we can specifically adjust the bass, the middle or the treble, and the noise reduction, we can even affect it in here and make it work mildly or turn it off all the way to considerable, strong, or automatic. Okay, we'll come out of that. On the bottom, you've got home, status, my ReSound, and more. Home is the screen room right now. Status will tell us if the hearing aids are connected and working, and they are. My ReSound. There's a find my hearing aid function. There is learn about the app, so you can check some of these icons and click them, and it will tell you about the different icons in the app. We've covered a couple of them: volume control, sound enhancer. So if you click change programs, it will teach you how to do that. We're going to go back. In a separate video, we're going to show you how to use ReSound Assist. It says it's unreachable right now, unreachable because we are not using it currently. However, it can be set up. And finally, more. You can pop your app in demo mode and make changes if you weren't sure about making them yourself in the active mode that we've got right now. And there's other icons you click into and have a look around. So we're going to click home. And there we go, an introduction to the ReSound Smart 3D app, capable of working with your ReSound 1 hearing aids.